Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make a new Twitch account on mobile. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To create a new Twitch account on your device, here are the steps to do this. So the first thing we need to do is download and install the Twitch app from the Google Play Store. Step 2. Open the app and tap on sign up or create an account. Step 3. You can choose from mobile phone number or email address. Now fill in the information including your username, password, email, and date of birth. Step 4. Complete the CAPTCHA or any additional verification steps. Step 5. Agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Tap submit once done. Now choose your preferred topics or games that you want to watch. So I choose these games or topics, and you can scroll further to see more games and choose to tap them. And now, once done, go ahead and tap show me live channels. Step 6. This one is optional. You can customize your profile by adding a profile picture and other details. To do this, tap on your profile icon on the top left corner, then tap on your profile again. Then go to edit profile. Now hit on the pencil icon and the profile picture section. And here you can either take a photo or choose existing photo. So I choose this. Now you can edit the frame size of your profile picture. Now once done, tap on the check button on the top right corner. And also you can add banner if you want. But now, since I got no banner, let's choose these changes for now. Step 7. Go ahead and finish the account creation process. And now your Twitch account will be ready to use. And always remember to keep your login information secure. And that's all for now folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.